During the 20th century, a plethora of discoveries and advances dramatically altered the medical field. From artificial intelligence to robotics and beyond, innovations in science and technology have completely changed the face of medicine.
Innovations in technology have always changed how we practice medicine and have impacted human lives throughout history. The ultimate objective is really to minimize the impact of the invasiveness of each and every procedure to a point where there is no surgery or no intervention on the human body.
Having a serious impact on mortality and longevity, innovations in technology present new ways to extend human life.
We are already seeing the beginnings of a new phase where multiple technologies and innovations are converging. Today's robotic systems fulfill very specific needs within medicine, especially in interventional or minimal invasive surgery.
At the end, it's all about accuracy with less radiation to the user, so the physician, but also to the patient.
At present, the power of robotics is revolutionizing the healthcare system.
Robotic systems, imaging technologies, virtual and augmented realities, as well as AI are all converging and sometimes are used synonymously. The revolution in healthcare is to simplify healthcare and to increase affordability of healthcare.
20 years ago, we also started with large robots, but we found out that large robots have really main disadvantages. And we wanted to overcome all these disadvantages. So our goal was to build a small and compact robot that can get attached directly to the table, a robot that is portable, that you can carry from one room to another room, very easy to use, that increases the accuracy, does not more what is needed, but speeds up the whole procedure.
On the cutting edge of robotics, Interventional Systems brings together technology and medicine to build groundbreaking medical solutions.
Interventional Systems is providing tools for us, it's providing us with technology that is helpful in getting the best results in any type of needle intervention. It's also the patient who benefits from this technology, because we see that we are so accurate that we need less repunctures, that we need to perform less re-interventions, and by doing so we can also be safer for the patient.
Its miniature robotic solutions for image-guided interventions and patient stabilization products leverage technology to bring medicine into the future.
Being able to do live imaging before, during and after the treatment allows the highest accuracy and the highest safety for the patient. At the end of the day, it's all about live imaging. Micromate is a unique, compact robot system that can be positioned inside the gantry of the imaging machine. It's so compact it can get attached directly to the table, and different to other robot systems, it's portable, very easy to use, and supports all types of procedures that interventional radiologist and interventional oncologist does.
The table-mounted, small, light, and easy-to-use robot enables patient-centralized care through minimally invasive, consistently accurate, and nearly radiation-free interventions.
By using the most reliable equipment and being able to put a needle to the target in a straight line, we can not only make it safer for the patient, but also can make it very tolerable. Micromate is making it easier for physicians to perform these interventions because they are providing a type of accuracy that bridges the gap between inexperienced and experienced radiologists. So if you are a training resident and you want to perform these complex procedures, you can quite easily, by using this technology, achieve a certain level of accuracy that is otherwise only reserved for radiologists with many years of experience.
Used in several different settings for several different applications and specialties, Micromate creates a more seamless way for physicians to perform interventions.
The platform that Micromate is based on can be used in different settings. You can not only use it in conventional CT-guided procedures, but it can, for instance, also be used in cone beam CT-guided interventions as well. On the other hand, we see that in non-vascular interventional radiology and in oncologic interventional radiology, we use needle guidance quite often. The most of our procedures is actually relying on the use of image guidance by using needles. And since this technology is supportive of this type of interventions, it can be used in many different indications. For instance, it could be used like simple 18-gauge diagnostic biopsy, but it could also be used for 11-gauge bone interventions as well.
Creating a new era of significance in medicine, developments in robotics technology continue to advance the field of medicine and quality of care for everyone.
There is a big trend towards ambulatory surgical centers, so many procedures that are today done in a big typical OR environment are moved to ambulatory centers, and here an affordable robot system that helps the interventionalist or surgeon to perform the procedure highly accurate and very safe is key.